Hello, good morning. My name is Lady Belén Murcia Flores. I was born on January 5th, 1990. I am 31 years old. I am from Puerto Rico. I live in Puerto Rico. This is my phone number is 311-655-8081. This is my address is Fifth Street, number 661, neighborhood de Garden. My Gmail is murcialady25@gmail.com. My hobbies are to swim, to walk with my family. I am housewife. I like to read and study. I like listening to music. This is my family. This is my husband George. This is my daughter Valentina. She is beautiful. I love my daughter. Thank you very much. See you later. A hug.